A lot of people doubted us. They were like कि probably you won't be able to do it.
The cycle is very long, ना, like as you mentioned कि अभी 1-1.5 साल हो गया and यहाँ पे भी हम लोग पहुँचे हैं. So this is very long cycle and you haven't generated I don't think so any revenue or anything.
It's not that long. We built it in 4 months.
Yeah.
Yeah. So honestly, like a lot of people have asked this question to me since I'm more active on the business side. That how do you see it giving you $100 million in revenue annually? Or how do you see it giving you $1 billion in revenue annually? And when I say 8 years में होगा, then they say 8 years is a long time. बट आप बता दो इंडिया में कितनी स्टार्टअप है 8 साल में जो 100 मिलियन क्रॉस कर रही है रेवेन्यू में. इट्स हार्ड फॉर एवरीवन इन इंडिया. यू नो अ थिंग दैट यू नो हार्डवेयर इज स्पेसिफिकली हार्ड. इट्स हार्ड इन द सेंस कि you have to do a lot of capex, you have to do a lot of investment upfront, which you may not have any visibility about how the revenue will happen. But you know, when you are setting up an industry, when you're setting up a factory, it generally takes you 10 years, 8 to 10 years to build a useful factory, right? You can get it up and running in maybe 1 year, 2 year, whatever, but to make something of real value, something of which can be called an industrial asset, something which can be called a national asset, it takes about 8 to 10 years. And post that, that factory gives you so much money, and that's why we have the term industrialists. Industrialists are people who own factories. Now, I can claim the same that you know in ShareChat, unless until you would achieve a certain liquidity in terms of user base, तब तक कोई ad क्यों लगाएगा? And वो user base पहुंचने में भी आपको 5-6 साल लगेंगे.
Right.
तो 5-6 साल तक आप revenue कर नहीं सकते. Right, so and that was the scene with ShareChat as well. Like we started doing revenue, I think somewhere around 2019, and that was like 5 years post our inception. Now, but that didn't deter anybody from investing, right? So why should this?